Located 200 kilometres from Sydney and just north of Newcastle on the New South Wales mid-coast, Port Stephens Council services a population of just under 70,000 residents. Renowned for its natural beauty, the council is also earning wide acclaim for its waste management practices.
One of the greatest things we've done in Port Stephens Council recently is to develop an environmental management system which enables all of our operations to be consistent and compliant in whatever we do.
Along with meeting and exceeding its obligations under the newly incorporated Environment Policy and Risk Management System, the Council recognised the need to ensure no negative impact on the surrounding area due to its ecologically sensitive nature.
By having our landfill site and all the environmental monitoring that goes with it, right next to a marine park, right next to an estuarine wetland, and right next to the oyster industry, what it makes us do is make sure that any off-site impacts are more than compliant with the requirements of the EPA.
Stringent protocols and procedures have been put in place, including a leachate pond to control groundwater from decommissioned landfill and the use of irrigation systems to control pond levels. Stormwater from the site is diverted into a settling pool to prevent silt from entering the drainage system, and regular monitoring of groundwater is carried out. Inside the waste transfer facility, major upgrades and improvements have resulted in the creation of a community recycling centre funded by the EPA, which includes approved storage cabinets for excess problem wastes and drop-off bays for tyres, mattresses and e-waste. A controlled area for tipping vehicles carrying waste ensures the strict environmental management procedures are adhered to. Port Stephens Council is committed to the diversion of waste from landfill. The facility is a transfer hub with only one source of waste going direct to landfill and all other sources being recycled or treated. Almost half of all self-hauled waste arriving at the site is diverted from landfill.
We changed our bulky waste curbside pickup. A few years ago we were actually landfilling 98% of that. So we've actually done an on-call service where we can actually go out as we need to, but then we're bringing it all back to this waste transfer station where we're sorting through it. And now we're getting resource recovery of 25% as opposed to 2%.
The facility has gone from a $600,000 loss being heavily subsidised by ratepayers to a safe, fully compliant waste transfer operation, and it's turned a modest surplus for the last 3 years.
If we can make this place a safe, convenient, reliable and affordable place, then we're going to be in business for a long time in the waste industry.